So today, just looking at the size difference between the 2024 Toyota CHR and exactly the same spec 2024 Toyota RAV4. You'll see from my videos, I've got a RAV4 and I was looking to, I've had it a few years, I was looking to change. I was thinking of downsizing to the CHR. So I'm just having a look. So we're pretty much spot on. I mean, straight away, you can see this is quite a lot bigger. I mean, my daughter's now just a teenager, so we've had a good time with the boot. We'll have a look at the boot space in a minute. But I mean, look from the back, you'll see it's longer and you've got more of a boot space. A lot more prominent on the road. I mean, that is very sleek compared to that, isn't it? It's like a breeze block going up the road compared to that. These do look good. But yeah, it was just seeing the size difference, whether or not it was massive or not. It's not that much bigger, is it? I mean, you've got a little bit sticking out, but it's this space here. If you've got kids, you'll know that that space there, extra, where this scoops in, is an absolute godsend. Like I said, my daughter's now a teenager, so 3-4 years ago, that boot was amazing. Now we don't really use it. So we was thinking, downsize. You'll see all my videos, I've looked at every color, spec, you name it, I've looked at it. But now I've got the 2024 GR in red, CHR, next to the 2024 GR RAV4. Although these things, this is the other thing that I was unsure of. These things are like 0 to 62 in 6 seconds. They're rocket ships. These are around 8 seconds, a little bit faster. They're not, they're a bit, in my opinion, a little bit lackluster in the performance. These things, so quick. We've loved driving that for 4 years. We really have. Ours was the prior hybrid, so slight, I mean, it's 0 to 60 is like 7. The plug-in, which is this one, 0 to 62 in 6 and a bit, which is crazy fast for something that size. So yeah, let's just have a look at boot space. As I mentioned before, the plug-in will be level here. I've showed it if you're going to have a look at them videos. This one's got a bit more of a boot space, a bit more of a deeper lip. But yeah, that's what that looks like. So let's go over to the RAV to see the difference. There you go, GR Sport, plug-in, all-wheel drive. And you'll see it is cavernous in there. We've never not had enough room, especially when you put the seats down. I've used it. I've almost used it like a van. It's that big in there. It's massive. Look at the size of that. So yeah, this wins on boot space, performance, but this, I think, wins on, just edges it on looks, doesn't it? We'll have a quick look round it. We'll shut that down. We'll have a quick 4K walk around them. See what you think. I do like this. Like I said, I've loved the RAV. It served us well. My kid's grown up in it. I mean, we've had RAVs for 15 years at least. They've been great. From the front, yeah, you can just see that's still size-wise, but look at the looks on that. Although that RAV is still looking good. So yeah, look. Just see it's higher, so you get more space in the cab. You'll see I've mentioned, my daughter said about being a bit, feeling the confined in the front passenger footwell. And you see from behind. That's still cool though, isn't it? Look at that. Both GRs, both 2024 spec. Quick walk round. There you go. What do you reckon? What would you rather have? Quick look inside. This is the cab that my daughter said felt a little bit confined, like a business class seat, because you got this panel here coming inwards. Lovely seats in this. Really nicely trimmed, but then it's a £40,000 car. Over to the RAV4 again, nice seats, nice cab, but you've got a lot more feeling of space in here. And back where my daughter has lived for the last 4 years, and you can see she's been treated to a lot of space in there. She's got her electric charge points down there, which she's loved charging up her iPad as we've driven. We've gone quite far. We've down Cornwall, Paris. We've driven all over. She's loved it in there. We've never run out of space, like I said. But is it time to switch? I don't know. Let's have a look.